Most expensive train seat globally? Discover luxury rail travel. What's the priciest train seat on Earth? Spoiler, it's not a seat, it's a rolling palace. The crown goes to India's Maharajas Express, and its top tier, the Presidential Suite, is often cited as the most expensive rail accommodation worldwide. Think an entire private carriage to yourself. 2 bedrooms, a lounge, marble-clad bathroom, and a dedicated butler. Prices typically start around the mid-20,000s and can climb toward $30,000 plus for a 7-night itinerary, depending on season and route. That tag buys serious bragging rights: white glove service, multi-course fine dining, premium drinks, curated off-train excursions, and private transfers that make every stop feel like a red carpet moment. For context, rivals like the Venice Simplon Orient Express Grand Suite or Japan's 7 stars cost several thousand per night, but they still don't touch a full private carriage. So is it worth it? If you want peak old-world luxury on rails, this is the final boss.